Dr. Ryan, thanks for meeting with me. I wanted to discuss a few patients facing significant psychosocial challenges impacting their recovery. First, Mr. Peterson, the gentleman with the fractured hip. While his surgery was successful, he's expressed significant anxiety about returning home. His wife is frail, and he's worried about managing independently. We might need to explore home health support or even a short-term rehabilitation facility.
That's important to address, Mihira. A supportive home environment is crucial for recovery after a fracture, especially in older adults. Let's look into those options. How about Ms. Rodriguez, the young mother with a new diabetes diagnosis? She's overwhelmed with managing her insulin, attending appointments, and caring for her toddler. She mentioned feeling quite isolated and lacking family support.
Yes, she's facing considerable emotional and practical barriers. I've connected her with a local support group for young parents with chronic conditions, and I'm also exploring options for childcare assistance during her medical appointments. Finally, I'm concerned about young Ben, the teenager with the recent asthma exacerbation. His family is facing significant financial strain, and his mother is worried about affording his ongoing medication. This added stress is likely impacting his overall well-being.
Financial hardship can certainly exacerbate health issues, especially chronic conditions like asthma. Let's connect his family with a hospital's financial aid resources and explore options for prescription assistance programs. Mihira, addressing these social determinants of health is crucial for their long-term management.
Absolutely. Addressing these underlying issues can significantly improve their health outcomes and overall quality of life.
Mihira, I want to take a moment to talk to you about the rash we've found on the baby's skin. I can see it looks quite sore and red, and it is understandable if that feels distressing to see. I want to reassure you that this is a severe case of nappy rash, which is a very common condition in infants and certainly not a cause for major concern. It doesn't mean anything is wrong with the care being given. It simply means his delicate skin has become quite sensitive to moisture recently. To help him feel more comfortable, we can look at a few gentle changes to his daily routine. The most important next step is ensuring his skin stays as dry as possible, so we will discuss increasing the frequency of changes and perhaps trying some nappy-free time each day to let the skin breathe. I'll also provide advice on using barrier creams to protect the area during healing. Please feel free to share any specific worries you have, as we are here to support both you and the baby through this.